is out here on my walk today. That one thought I had was, if you can, getting out into nature for a walk every once in a while, or maybe even every day. Obviously, if you're in the city, it might be harder to get into nature as quickly. There's lots of big parks and stuff sometimes, but walking on irregular terrain can be really good for your feet and ankles, especially if you have no sole shoes. I've found that my ankles have gotten a lot stronger just from walking around on uneven ground. That's challenges the ankle joint a little bit more, and combining that with some other movements, moving across the hills, maybe walking backwards up the hills, can help with the knees as well.